Okay guys, so, oh my god, it's raining leaves. Literally, it's raining leaves. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, but what just happened was, I was coming out here to go get my rabbit. And I hear, okay, so, I'm like all the way over here, walking over here to get my rabbit, and I thought something was in its cage, so I walk up and I look in the cage, and while I'm over here I see something fall out of this tree, and then I see a squirrel like climbing around, and I think it was a cat, or the squirrel threw another squirrel out of the tree and it's dead, laying on my floor right now. But it like, no, it's not dead on my floor right now, but like, when it fell out of the tree, it ran like for hell. I don't know what it was. It was like a cat or something. But the squirrels love these trees up here, so the squirrels go in there a lot. So it's the most craziest thing I've ever seen. I thought something was in my rabbit's cage, because my rabbit's facial expressions was like it was all the way back, which it never goes back there. My rabbit usually stays right over here on this side like he is right now. He never goes on the other side, but he did, and it's crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that, and I'm vlogging right now. I'm vlogging every day until New Year's, so that's in 2 days. New Year's is in 2 days. So yeah guys, I'm vlogging today, and my bunny wants to go out really bad. Hey baby. She just ran away from me. She needs food right now. I'm gonna feed my bunny right now. She likes eating a bunch of her food in like a little amount of time. That's why she's so fat. That's why she's so fat. Okay, so today is vlogging day, and I have new earbuds, and I like to do ASMR with them because they have a high-powered mic. Got some hay for the bunny. He loves his hay. Does he need any water? No. Oh, I hear something back over here again. Bunny is starving. I just checked on her yesterday and she had a good amount of food. So my goal for vlogging, I said vlog. My goal for vlogging today is about maybe 20 minutes. 20, 25, at least 20 minutes. So back to my bunny. Just wanted to tell you guys that. Also guys, comment down below if you want me to do a live bunny cam for like, I don't know how many hours or minutes, but just comment down below if you want me to. You still hungry, damn. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna talk to you about what's been going on with my life. That's what you do in vlogs, while my bunny eats his food. Okay, so the reason I haven't been as active as I used to be is because I used to just make live stream videos because I had no storage. And then I kind of switched to my phone. But the problem is, on my last phone, on a video, they reported it. And it got taken off my YouTube channel. So, sadly, I got demoted and I can't live stream anymore, so I haven't been as active and my storage is full. But the reason I'm posting today is my mom bought me 50 gigabytes last night, so I could probably make a video for 48 hours. No, not even, like, I could record for like 5 days in a row on one video. But I can't live stream anymore, so I can't post anymore. I could still post videos, but I can't, like, that's how I posted videos, was live streaming. So yeah, just wanted to tell you guys that, why I haven't been as active, and school, had more other homework, and yeah, so yeah. Just wanted to tell you guys that. Are you done eating, baby? No? Okay, I don't know what to do while she's done eating, so I'm just gonna just sit here and edit this part out. Oh shit, I can't edit. Also, my mom pawned her laptop, so I can't really edit anymore. But she's gonna get it back really soon. Okay, so also, I don't know what to do. While my bunny's eating, I'm just gonna talk to you guys about my health, what's been going on. So, what I got for Christmas, we'll start with that. So the first thing I got was this phone case. I got a pop socket, shoe trainer, I don't know, I got a lot of stuff. My most favorite thing I got was a four-wheeler. Brand new four-wheeler. So I don't even care if my bunny's done eating. I'm just gonna get her out now. Get him. Yep, he's done. Come here, Bun Bun. After he eats, he likes to poop a lot, so we don't want him to poop a lot on Mama's lap. I'm gonna go shut your cage. Also guys, comment down below if you want to do the giveaway. The only steps for the giveaway is, I know you probably don't want to do this, but trust me. Just trust me. I'm gonna need you to trust me on this if you want the giveaway items. So the giveaway items are a bunch of cool stuff, a bunch of slime, a bunch of good stuff. So all you have to do is subscribe to me, turn on my post notifications, comment done, and then private DM you, and you're gonna have to write me your address and I'll mail it to you. The giveaway items. So yeah, that's all. I know that seems untrustable, but it's not like I'm gonna do any harm to you. And it's absolutely free. Well, except for me, I gotta pay for the stuff. But yeah, just wanted to tell you guys about the giveaway. So let's go in my house now. I'm gonna show you guys some Christmas presents I got. Hi, baby. Okay. So, Ashton. Her name's not Ashton. Also, the bunny's name is Hopper, by the way. That was my birthday present. Bye-bye, baby. Mama's gonna miss you. Mama, see you later on today. Okay, so let's go inside. Just ignore my mom. She's gonna be talking a bunch of crap, but just ignore her. Because that's what she does. Where's Bub? Okay, guys, so can I show YouTube what I got for Christmas? So I'm going to show you guys. So I got them in a bunch of side of family. My grandma's side, which is my mom's mom. My papa's side, which is my mom's dad. My dad's side, which is my dad. My mom's side, which is her. And who else? And that's it. So first we're going to do my papa since it's the closest. So he bought me these little pajama pants, backpack, and the rest is just trash. He bought me a bunch more stuff, but I don't know. So I'm gonna end today's vlog right here. I know it was 20 minutes, but there's nothing else to really do. I just wanted to tell you guys why I haven't been active. So bye, love you.